Well, my new old stock mantles decided to fall apart too much. I'm going to try and light it. It's creating a lot of hot spots around here and a lot of sooty spots around here. So I'm going to have to take that one off and put a brand new one on. So that's the new mantle right there. It's actually a lot shorter than the old one. Can't really tell the perspective from this, but it is shorter. The way to tell how that's a new one is comes in this box, whereas the one that's up there came in this one. So these are two of the old ones. These ones, the brand new ones, which you should use. But anyway, I've got to carefully remove that because that's made of radioactive material. Joy. Oh, that's the new one on. The old one is there, and of course I need to burn this one off, so here it goes. Ooh, that's fun. Not quite as perfect as I expected because there is a hole in there. I don't know how well we can see it, but it's right there at the bottom. There. Oh well, hopefully it'll last a lot longer than the old one. Let's quickly trim the wick with my wick trimmer, and now to light it. It's a pain in the ass trying to do this one-handed. Yeah. So I'll just turn that up a little bit. The rest of the crap that was on there before will burn off now, hopefully. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that hole. So it's been heating up for a bit. I had to go full power. Ooh. One thing I will note is it's not green like the old one. It's a lot more yellow. Doesn't seem as bright either, but oh well. Better than nothing. Beautiful like that.